A single minute is all that it takes to make this much money. Yes, you heard that right. For every 60 seconds, you can make that amount of money again and again. Now take a look at these payment proofs straight into your PayPal account. Would you like this for yourself? Now, what I've got in store for you in this video is totally brand new. It's so unique that very few people even know that this new method for making money online exists. There are a lot of gatekeepers out there trying to keep this entire thing a secret for themselves and their own selfish interests. But my goal for today's video is to help you all out to get results and make your first few $100 online. I'll have you know, the earning potential here is enormous. This sky is definitely the limit. Just think about the financial and geographical freedom that you might end up with once you succeed at this. Perhaps you would already be able to pay off some debt. I'll show you every detail in this step-by-step tutorial. Everything is absolutely free with no investment needed. This is even available for you wherever you may be in the world. But before we start, welcome to Daily Income, where we teach you how to make money online the simplest way. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online, you will be updated and you can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. And if ever you have any concerns, questions, or opinions about the video, don't be shy and just leave a comment down below. Now let's get back to the video. First of all, I want you to go onto youtube.com and look up motivational video. From there, you'll get a bunch of results posted by other people that have gotten millions of views. Before you jump into any conclusions, let me just say that you won't have to create your own videos. This method won't require you to have a camera or YouTube channel. But I do want to show you this best-kept secret on the way that you can make a big bucks with other people's YouTube videos. Check this out right here. This is one of the motivational video results. As you can see, it has millions of views. Now over on this video, it's got millions more views. There are just so many people out there who are seeking this type of content and these kinds of videos. So now, I want you to choose 3 different videos from the search results. That's it for step 1. Step 2, if you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. For step 2, I want you to go to this website. You can earn PayPal money and get paid every single time that people click on your unique link. The whole idea here is really quite simple. You only need to create a free account on the website. Then you simply just need to shorten your link, and I'll show you exactly how to do that in just a second. So when you got your shortened link and get people to click on it, you'll get paid in PayPal money. This is exactly how people from all over the world are getting paid real money every single day. Get paid per click, and depending on who's clicking on your link, you'll get paid varying amounts of money. For example, when people from the United Kingdom click on your link, you're gonna get paid about $6, and when people from Norway click on your link, you're gonna get paid $5. You can take a look at all of the different rates right here on their website. Now let me go over it again. They have the same concept, which is to shorten your link, get people to click on your link, and you can get paid again and again. That's our strategy. Go to YouTube and find 3 different videos from there. We'll just have to click on the share button and copy the video link. But instead of just sharing this YouTube link, we are going to go to UI to shorten this link. Remember what I said about you earning money from people clicking on this link. Now the question is, how do you actually get people to click on your link? And more importantly, how do you get visitors and traffic? Now we come across the issue. How do you get people to click on your shortened link? This is where I come in. I've got this copy and paste script all written now for you, and you can just use this when you need to convince people to click on the link that you sent them. The title of this script is Motivate Yourself Like Never Before. And here's the whole script right here. You can just copy and paste it and then simply enter and insert your link into this column. As you can see here, just copy and highlight the entire script. Now let me show you how to sign up for a free account. All you've got to do is just click on this button to sign up for free. Then that's going to take you to this page where you can register for free. All that you've got to do is just type in your username, your email, and your password. Now, once you've logged into your brand new account, what you're going to see of all of this, basically you'll be showing your stats over here. You can see how many clicks you're getting and how much money you're receiving every single day. Now, of course, if you're logging into a brand new account, you'll see $0 right there because you still haven't shortened any links and gotten people to click on them. I want to show you this exact example now while using a brand new account, so that if you are watching right now, you can exactly copy everything that I'm showing and start earning PayPal money. All you've got to do now is click on this button that says New Shortened Link, and that's going to open up this box as you can see here. What you're gonna do now is go back to YouTube. If you remember, this is the first video that I selected earlier. Now all that I've got to do is just click on the share button and copy this YouTube URL link. Then I'll just go back to my dashboard and paste the link right here into this box. Under alias, I'll just put in Motivational. Then right here, I'll just click on the shorten button, and as you can see, it's just going to automatically help us to shorten this YouTube link. Now, this is a special UII shortened link, and whenever people click on this link right here, they're going to be taken to YouTube. They're going to start watching this video, and with that, you get paid per click. Now you just have to copy the shortened link right here, and just have to go back to work on the script, and scroll down and look for this section, then paste the script. Now we'll just have to repeat the exact same thing by moving on to the second column to put in the second link, and we'll do the same with the third video. With this strategy, the more links we put up, the more money you will make. When you've got all the links in order, just click on File, then click on Download, and download this document as a PDF on your computer so you can start using it and posting it on this last website that I'll be talking about. Now we're on the final step. This is the step where you get a bunch of people clicking on your shortened link and get a lot of free traffic. Just go on over to slideshare.net. On this website, people upload different documents and things like slideshows to share different information with other people. Here I've pulled up this example of a document and the slide that people upload to slideshare.com. You can sign up for a free account here. All you've got to do is click on the sign up button right on top, and that's going to take you to this page. Here is where you can sign up for a free account. From there, you can just click on the upload button right on top, and that's going to take you to this page where you can upload a file. That is where we can upload the PDF file right here on slideshare.net. Slideshare.net has over 160 million monthly visitors, and there are a lot of people that come over to this website looking to learn something new. So this is really the perfect place that you can share this document for free, where other people can read them to get free value. And if they happen to want to learn more information, they can click on your link and start watching the video you link them to. It's really a win-win strategy. You get to share a video with other people, and at the same time, you get paid per click. And that's it. This has been Daily Income. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and click on the notification bell and smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video.